We're here, babe.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Morning. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're walking through one of our favorites from the 2025 Florida RV Super Show. We think it's fun to share some rigs that we come across at the shows. Whether it's a new floor plan, a new gadget, some new feature, it's always fun to share and show you guys our top picks. So we have a couple more of these coming up, and we hope you enjoy walking through the Cedar Creek 395 Wow. So I'd have to say this is probably my favorite new fifth wheel here at the show. It's got these dual opposing slides in here that are absolutely massive. Like, this whole room is just so big with these big opposing slides. So you got a nice waterfall island here. Dinette and a couch. Another couch over here. And this entertainment center here, I'll back up and show you first. It's actually full storage behind this. So you get all that extra storage back there. That's great for electronics, and actually have a coat hanger in there. It is nice design. But this just feels residential in here. Tons of storage. This is a full profile fifth wheel. Got a ceiling fan. More pantry space over here. Got drawers there. Drawers there. This is just, even if I stand back here, this space is just huge. It really feels residential in here. Feels like a condo or apartment or something. More storage above that couch. Hanger. Got your controls. Some more storage up there. The bathroom is actually really nice. Now, I've never really looked at the Cedar Creeks too much, but I'm really impressed with this one. This is so much storage. Nice full-size shower. Nice dual sinks here. Back up out of here. Yeah, dual sinks. Plenty of room around the toilet. A master bedroom. King-size bed. Got a king size in here, and there's still room on each side where you can fully walk around this bed. I mean, that's amazing for having a king size bed. And then in here, let's see if there's a light switch. I don't know how I turn on the light in here. There we go. So you got washer and dryer hookup. Let's see if it's bright enough for this picture. So basically, for the washer and dryer, you take out this bottom shelf and you put washer and dryer side by side. You got your hookups here. Extra little electric heater in here for those chilly mornings. There's something about this. I really like this Cedar Creek. The space is just, it's crazy how much space there is in here. This would be a great rig for entertaining. You could get 4 people easily around the island, probably 5 or more if you had the chairs. The table extends out. You can get 4 more over there. 4 people on the couches. 6'10" slides. Yeah, this is I have to say this is the top pick for a fifth wheel. I wouldn't say it's the most luxurious, but this floor plan and layout is amazing. I mean, this room alone. Go out and check out the outside storage. I'll get the model number. 395. Wow. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
The
Wow.
model number is wow.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what I said. Wow, when we walked in for sure. This huge storage compartment down here. 230-pound tanks. Yeah, and dog latch. Let's see what we got under here. Big wide open storage. Wow. I would assume you can get this set up for a generator, but I don't see any hookups for a generator.
Batteries are over here.
Batteries on this side. So I do like this, that they actually have a finished bottom on the slides instead of raw wood. Yep. On-demand hot water. You got your furnace, and then that giant slide. It's a wet bay. Pretty basic. Electric cord reel. I'm really impressed with this.
Yeah.
This is really nice. I'd be curious to see the price on this. So show price. So this one does have full body paint. I like the colors. It's almost like a champagne-ish gray with some silver and black. Pretty. See how thick the walls are on this. I'd say probably about 2-inch walls. They're not extra thick walls or anything, but still better than the 1.5 you get on most rigs. I'm surprised this thing's only a dual axle. Yeah. I would definitely say this is our top pick at the show for a fifth wheel. I haven't seen too many Forest Rivers that I like as much as this one. Maybe we'll come back through here and see if we can get a show price on this later. Today's walking around on industry day, so I don't have the prices out yet. Beautiful rig.